This recipe is sure to get compliments from everyone. Let's start by preparing the potatoes. We'll need 750 grams. Peel them and cut them into cubes about this size. Add salt to taste, cover with hot water, and let them cook for 6 minutes. Once cooked, spread them out in a baking dish. Take one onion, cut it in half, and slice the halves like this. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, along with a drizzle of olive oil. As soon as the butter melts, we'll add the onion and stir. While the onion is cooking, we'll take 300 grams of sliced ham and chop it. Add it to the onion and stir while it fries for 2 minutes. At this point, remove from the heat and transfer it to the baking dish, spreading it over the potatoes. Let's go back to the pan where we'll melt 2 more tablespoons of butter with some olive oil to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir, letting it fry until golden. Now, slowly add 500 milliliters of milk. Stir continuously until it thickens. Perfect, that's how it should look. Here goes the rest of the milk. Add a pinch of oregano, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Also, add nutmeg to taste and stir. Now just pour this sauce over the baking dish. We're going to top it with 100 grams of grated mozzarella because we can't go without it. Make sure to add a good amount. Here goes a little more oregano, and let's bake it for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Look at that, it's ready. This dish turned out irresistible, especially with that melted and golden cheese on top. This potato dish with ham and creamy sauce is one of those that will earn you compliments from everyone. Now just serve and enjoy. If you like this delicious tip, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more recipes that are a hit in the kitchen. And tell me in the comments, what would you add to give it your special touch? Thanks for watching and see you next time.